Hi kindergarten, today we're going to do the 3D shape of a cone. Now the cone, there's something really important I want to point out to you. If you notice right here, these two solid lines are touching each other. So it's important that you don't cut them apart, keep them together. I'll show you what I mean. So you'll take your scissors, and remember, just like we did for the cube and just like we did for the cylinder, we're only going to cut on the solid black lines. If it's a dotted line, that means we fold. But if it's a solid line, that means we cut. Now we were able to find a real cube in our bag. We used a die. We were hopefully able to find a real cylinder in our kitchen pantry. We could use a can. A cone is going to be a little trickier. Those of you that have blocks might have a cone. Some of you might have some ice cream cones. Some of you maybe have like a play set with a traffic cone in it. But most of us might not have a cone in our house. So that's why I wanted to give you a way to make one at home with this. Okay, so when you cut it out, remove the trash, it's going to look like this. See how I did not cut there? I kept it together. Okay. So fold on the dotted line, that's the next part. Folding on the dotted line. Now it's a little tricky because the dotted line is curved. Some of these. A party hat, that's another thing that's shaped like a cone. I just saw that on the picture of it. It made me think of that. Okay. Big one right here. Now, let's see. I'm going to connect. So far. Oh. Now, this big part, we're going to fold in. We're going to tuck it in, kind of make it disappear. See how I did that? This big section here, we're going to fold it in. Keep folding in, so your cone is going to actually become kind of small. Does that make sense? I think I taped a little too soon. I'm going to take that tape off, actually. There we go. Now it's becoming a little bit easier to make this. There we go. So fold in first, then we'll do our base. Okay. Not perfect, but you get the idea of what it would look like, right? I'm going to tape it up. Now on this, it tells us I have one face. The one face is on the bottom. And just like the faces, the two faces on our cylinder, the face is shaped like a circle. So a cone only has one face. It doesn't have any edges, and it doesn't have any vertices. Just like the cylinder, right? The cylinder doesn't have any edges, and the cylinder doesn't have any vertices. So you can use this cone, or if you happen to find a cone around your house, to help you do your math worksheet pages on cones. See you soon.